Hola again. I kind of forgot one thing, so let's just do it quickly now to complete kind of the story of our instrument. So Kontakt, if you hover over any control, and you will see here at the bottom, so if this info pane, we call it the info pane, you select if it's pane, P-A-N-E or P-A-I-N, it's up to you, but it's the info pane. And if you hover over a control, it gives information about the control on the bottom. If you open Kontakt instruments, you notice that this is displayed. So for example, if I hover over the attack, the decay or whatever, I should be getting some message here that tells me, hey, what does this control do? So it's very simple to set it up. We're already in our looping mode over here. So let's continue in that mode, and maybe let's do it here so it's kind of near. It's easy for us to see near the control names, and we need another string array, and we can call it, let's say, help tags. And oh, I think I noticed here something. Yeah, this was still on 4, so this should obviously be no, wait, something was here. This was on 4, so this should obviously be num controls as well. And yeah, so where were we? So help tags at num controls. We declare that, and then we have help tags, and yeah, there's no choice but to do these manually because they are unique for each one. So let's do them quickly. So we have attack, decay, sustain, release. So let's say sets the, I'll leave this blank, portion of the envelope period. I think yeah, that would be the fastest. Sets the decay, sets the, okay. Sets the attack portion of the envelope, sets the decay time. Yeah, whatever. I don't know why I'm spending time on this. Stiggedish dish. And then here it's something different. It sets the sustain level of the envelope. It's not a portion. All right, so we have our help tags in here, and we can just use our array. Obviously, this is an str. So I forget what it's called. Control par help. Yeah. Okay. Control par help. I hope. And then it should be help tags at I. And if we did everything correctly, now hovering, whoa, we have a script warning. What's the warning? Help tags 4 is, what did I do? Help tags 0, 1, 2, 3. Help tags I. Why is it coming to 4? What? Oh, I do. What did I do? What did I do? Stupid mistake. Now it should be fine. Yes, and as you can see, sets the attack portion, sets the decay time, sustain stuff. Yeah. Oops. The release time. Awesome. So we have our help tags in, and yeah, I guess that's the final thing for this particular instrument.